Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to run and automate Python scripts with N8n. This is incredibly useful if you want to streamline repetitive tasks, process data automatically, or integrate Python functionality into your workflows without manually running scripts every time. To get started, open your browser and navigate to go.n8n.io. Once you're on the page, you'll need to enter your login credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub where all your automation workflows live. From here, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Create Workflow. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your automation. After clicking that button, you'll be taken to the N8n Workflow Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that N8n presents you with two different ways to create a workflow. The first option is to add your first step manually, which gives you full control over every detail. The second option allows you to build with AI, which can be helpful if you want suggestions, but for running Python scripts specifically, we'll go with the manual approach for more precision and clarity. To run and automate your Python scripts on N8n, click on the Add First Step button. Once you do that, a panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. This panel contains all the tools and integrations you can add to your workflow. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type in code. This will filter the results to show you coding options available within N8n. From the search results, click on Code. You'll then be presented with two different options. One is for JavaScript and the other is for Python. Since we're working with Python scripts today, go ahead and click on Python Code. This selection tells N8n that you want to execute Python within your workflow, which opens up a world of possibilities for automation and data processing. Once you've selected Python Code, a parameters window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll actually work with your code. You'll see a code editor right in front of you, which functions much like any other code editor you might be familiar with. All you need to do now is simply paste in your Python code. You can write new code directly in this editor or copy and paste existing scripts you've already developed elsewhere. The editor supports standard Python syntax, so anything you would normally run in a Python environment should work here as well. After pasting your code, you can test it directly within N8n to make sure it runs as expected. This allows you to catch any errors or make adjustments before you fully automate the workflow. Once everything looks good, you can add triggers or additional steps to your workflow to make your Python script run automatically based on specific conditions, schedules, or events. And that's it. You've successfully set up N8n to run and automate your Python scripts, giving you powerful automation capabilities without needing to manually execute code every time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.